install and set up PrestaShop script. To do that, we have to build firstly a database, and now we are going to get the hosting package, and every student can get the hosting package through this course. This is the hosting package. Username CWP 10,000. That's all. And this is the password for the hosting package. Let us try. And now login. So now we're gonna be create a database from MySQL on the server. MySQL database, and here in new database PrestaShop. This is the name of the database. Create a database as you see here. And we have to grab the name of the database, copy, Ctrl C, and let's paste the name of the database here. Sorry, database name, as you see, paste. Also we need the username and password. Let's try to continue this property. Go back here, and now MySQL user, add a new user, database admin. As you see, this is the user name for this database, and we have to add a password by using a password generator. Click here and copy this by Ctrl C, and now I have to check I have copied this password to a secure location. Now use this password, and before continue I have to paste the password here to remember it, to be remembered here. And now we have to create a user. Click here to create user, save. You have successfully created a MySQL username. We have to grab this name or copy it, Ctrl C, by highlight this name of the user, username, copy it, and also come back here for the username, paste as you see here, save change. That's all for database name, username, and password. And now let's come back here to the server or the hosting package and go back as you see. So now we should add the user for the database name. So let's scroll down to see where the user CWP database admin. This is the username, and this is the database for the PrestaShop, CWP 10000 underscore PrestaShop. That's all. And now we have to add this user for the database, and in this page we have to manage user privileges to access all of the privileges of the database. So now we have to check this checkbox, all privileges, alter, create, delete, event, index, select, trigger, update, show view. That's all. And now we have to click here for make changes. As you see, That's all for creating the database. User, database admin, and the database name CWP100_PrestaShop. That's all. And now let's come back for the home page. That's all for creating the database and add the user with password for the database to access all of privileges for this database. See you in next lecture to install and upload the files of or the folders of PrestaShop. Welcome again. In this lecture we are going to install and set up the script of PrestaShop. Now we are at the URL of the PrestaShop, as you see here, and let's download the script by PrestaShop download. You are ready to host and customize your store. Download the latest version. Click here to download. So now we have to add an email, some information. What describes you best? I'm just trying PrestaShop. I'm building an online business. I have a physical shop and want to sell online. You have to choose one of these. I'm creating a store for a customer. I have online store using different software. Let's choose any of these options. Now language. You have to choose the language, the main language of the site: English, French, or Spanish, or Dutch, or Italiano, or Portuguese, or Polish, or Dutch. That's all of options. The main language over the world is English, which I like it. Now I have to click here for download the script to see. Thank you for downloading the PrestaShop, and as you see here, the script starting download on my download folder on my computer or on my PC. It will take some or other minutes, 3 or 4 minutes. Let's try to check. So at the hosting package here, we have to add or to try to put the script on the main directory. File manager here, and click go to see the file manager. The file manager show us the main location or the root location of the site to be uploaded and to be run. So you can upload all the file, but firstly we have to wait for other minutes to be sure that the folder or the files of the site PrestaShop with the version 1.6.1.6 has finished download. After that we will upload this compressed folder to the hosting package to continue. Welcome again. Now after download the script of PrestaShop version 1.6.1.6 with compressed file, we have to upload this file, this compressed file, to the hosting package. We are coming here for this hosting and click for upload to select the compressed folder. Choose the file, click here for choose the file, and go to the destination folder with the name of downloads, as you see here. And now let's try to see the PrestaShop, this folder with 20 mega. Open, click here, and the file or the compressed folder starting to start upload to the server. And let's wait for some minutes to be uploaded. So now it appears to be uploaded with 11% completed, 13%, 15%, 17% completed, 18%. The whole size for this folder is 20.53 megabyte. That depends on you on the internet speed upload. 31% completed or complete, 33. That's all. You have to be more patient until the upload progress finished at the server. %, complete, 43 or 42, 44. That's all. That's good. $59 and 60% complete with upload progress. %66%. And 77, 79% complete, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85% as it's shown with the upload of the file for PrestaShop. And we will do every step on this installation by showing all of the steps on uploading. Now it appears to be finished upload the PrestaShop with 20.53 megabyte completed at uploading. Now we have to close this tab and come back for the space here or this screen. Click here for reload, and we see the PrestaShop. Click here on the PrestaShop, and now we have to extract this folder. Click for extract and click here for extract file to show what will happen here. That's all closed. Okay. Now we see the PrestaShop. This is folder of the PrestaShop. Let's click for install. Click at the PrestaShop to see the content of this folder. adapter, admin, cache, classes, config, controller, core, CSS, download, image, install. That's all. And if we want to come back for the top, we can do that by click here. That's all for upload the hosting, upload the PrestaShop. Now we have to start installing this file, and we will do the installation of the script of PrestaShop in next lecture. See you. Goodbye. Welcome again. Now let's try to install the PrestaShop through the server, and to do that we are going to the site again. Slash PrestaShop and enter. Now let's try to install. That's all. We see the URL PrestaShop install, and choose your language. Continue the installation, and you have to choose your language of the site, the main language. We are going to choose the English language. Now next, then next, license agreement, open software license OSL version 3. That's all for the license agreement. You have to read these terms and conditions, and if you agreed with all, you have to check here, I agree to the above terms. Then next. Now let's try to continue. We see information about your store shop name. I will give the name of my shop as the name of the site, or as the e-commerce site. Main activity, you have to choose one activity, or fashion and accessories, download, software, flowers, food and beverage, hi-fi, photo and videos, home, appliances, home and garden, jewelry. Here you have to choose the store products which you want to sell, and if you want to add multiple categories at your site as activity, you can choose other activity. Then we will choose the country. By the way, I want to add fashion and accessories for the main activity. Country, I will choose the United States. You have to choose your country destination for the store, for your store. Spain, French, Italy, whatever country. Now I'm going to choose the United States as a country. Shop time zone, United States Alaska, United States Arizona, United States. That's all. You have to choose the best time zone what you want. Your account first name, I'll choose my name, Nader Adam. Email address, okay, this is my email address. And I have to choose the password, ABCDE at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all for the password. And here ABCDE at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Retype to confirm. Then we are going to the next, to continue. That's all. We see this installation. Configure your database by filling out the following fields. Let's choose the database server address. It's a local host. Database name. Let's choose from our file. Sorry for loading. Things to be late. Let's choose this information. Database name Turkish This is the database name. Sorry. Now grab this name or copy. Then back here, database server address localhost. Database name. Sorry. Turkish PrestaShop database name, and let's choose database username Turkish G_user1 and copy, Control C, copy. Then back again, database login as username. Database password, let's choose the password for this database with the user privilege, copy or grab this password and paste here, database password. Table prefix, PS stands for PrestaShop underscore, and you can add multiple or different symbols or numbers to be as a prefix for your tables. Now we have to test the connection with the database. Click here, test your database connection. It's okay, good. The database is connected. Now we are going to the next step to see other issues. Create the database table, create database, create settings.inc files, create database tables, and we see the progress here. Populate database tables, create default shop and languages, populate database tables again, and configure shop information. That's all. Install demonstration data. Install add-ons modules. And install theme. That's all. We see here your install is finished. You have just finished install your shop. Thank you for using PrestaShop. Please remember your login information. This is my email and this is the password. And if I check this display, I can see the password as visual characters. And you have to print my login information if you want. If you forget this information, this is the email and this is the password to log in at the site. To be able to manage all of these all things. And if we scroll down, we see some information. PrestaShop add-ons, more than 2,000 ready to use templates, different templates on the net, and more than 3,000 powerful modules. Improve traffic, increase your conversion rate, build customer loyalty, save managing your store, and much more to expand your business. So we have to continue by going to the back office, which means back end of the site, which provides us the admin area of the website or the store, and the front office, it shows us the main site or the visual products with sliders, menus for the customer. Which represents by the user interface or graphical user interface of the site. Now let's discover your store by click here to see the website or the store as you see here. So now we install the site or the store correctly. As you see here, it's a professional store, PrestaShop, looking great with a professional slider, with good widgets and menus, header, and a good showing for the products, as you see here, and we can add and manage different categories and products at this site or this e-commerce site, and we see at the footer more professional things here. As we see new arrivals, popular, bestseller, specials. That's all for the site of PrestaShop. Let's come back here to see the back office. The back office represents the admin area of the site. Let's see the admin area. Something's a problem. We can fix it later. We can manage it later when we manage the site admin. That's all for the PrestaShop as installation. See you in next section to manage and admin and populate the site of PrestaShop. See you. Good.